go.
Hey, this is Christina with Kidding Around Greenville. I'm at Dollywood Splash Country today. Perfect family summer destination for vacation or even a day trip if you're really ambitious. It's about 3 hours from Greenville. A couple things that you should know. When you come in, make sure that you get your kids measured for their height requirement because most of the rides have some kind of height requirement. My almost 5-year-old made it to like the 42 inches, so she could ride almost everything, except she didn't want to. So, other things are you can bring in 1 bottle of water for each person. It has to be closed, and then they give you free ice water though at any of the concession stands, which is so great. They also have lockers for $10 or $15. They were a lifesaver today because we could just put everything in there that we needed and come back and get it, and it was so easy. Dollywood is open all summer. You can buy a season pass, you can buy one-day passes, like you can buy a flex pass where you use the pass for Dollywood Splash Country and Dollywood Theme Park, which we are heading towards tomorrow. So follow our story today on Instagram and Facebook. I can tell you guys all about it. They have a wave pool. They have all kinds of rides. They have like thrill rides. They have like a roller coaster tube ride that was really fun. So it is. We had such a great time, and I completely recommend it for your family. It's so much fun, and we make really great memories together.